Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the maths session. I am here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. We are starting the exercise 7.5, which is from the page number 160. Today we are going to do question number 1. Okay? In this, few fractions are given and we have to do addition and subtraction. Okay? This we have done. So now we are doing the exercise. Okay? We have started. Come on, let's start with first sum A. Now first what it is written, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. So 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. Unlike fractions, right? Numerator and denominator both are different. LCM निकालेंगे. चलो fast. 3 ones are. In 3 table 7 is not coming. And then 7 ones are. So 3 sevens are 21. So we got the LCM 21. Okay. 2 upon 3 in denominator we need 21. So I'll multiply by 7. So I will get 21. And in numerator also multiply by 7. Is equals to 2 sevens are 14 and 3 sevens are 21. 1 upon 7. In denominator I need 21, so I have to multiply by 3. So I have to multiply by 3 in numerator also. 1 3s are 3 and 7 3s are 21. Here we got the answers. 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. 21 denominators are same, so I'll write 21. And then 14 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So 17 upon 21 is our answer. Okay? Like that we only will do the all sums. B. The question is 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. 10 and 15 denominators are different, so take out the LCM. And now come on, we have done so many sums. Do with me only, so your book will be complete. Okay? So 10 and 15 both are coming in 5 tables. So 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 1s are, and 3 1s are. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are is 30. So we got the LCM 30. Three upon 10. If we want in denominator 30, so by which number we will multiply? We will multiply by 3, and in numerator also. 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 30. 7 upon 15. So in 15 table 30 is coming? Yes. 2s are. So in numerator also 2s are. 7 2s are 14 and 15 2s are 30. So here we got 9 upon 30 plus 14 upon 30. Okay? Denominators are same, so we'll write 30. 9 plus 14. So 14 plus 9 we can do because 14 is the greatest bigger number. So like that way. So if you're not knowing, you can add like this. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 23. So 23 we got 23 upon 30 is our answer. Okay. Moving to C. What is the question? 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. Denominators are not equal, so we'll take out the LCM. 9 and 7. So 3 3s are, 7 is not coming, so carry down. 3 1s are, 7 is not coming, that's why carry down. 7 1s are. 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63, right? So LCM 63. So in denominator we need 63. So 9 sevens are 63. In numerator also 7. 7 4s are 7 4s is 28, and 9 sevens is 63. 2 upon 7. So 7 nines is 63. So in numerator also we multiply by 9. 2 nines are 18 and 7 nines are 63. So here we got 28 upon 63 minus 18 upon 63. Plus is there, sorry. Addition is there. In this C number, addition is there. So denominators are same, 63 will write 28 plus 18. So 28 plus 18. 8 8s are 16. So 1 6, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 46. So 46 upon 63. You can also write in the simplest form, but 46 upon 63 is also a right answer. Okay. Moving to the next sum number D. The question is 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. 7 and 3 denominators are different. So let's take out the LCM. 3 ones are and 7 ones are. 3 sevens are 21. So LCM is 21. Okay. So 5 upon 7. So 7 in, if what number I will multiply, so I'll get 21 in denominator, so I'll multiply by 3. In numerator also 3. 5 3s are 15 and 7 3s are 21. 1 upon 3. Again same. By which number I'll multiply, so I'll get 21. I'll multiply by 7. So in numerator also 7. 7 ones are 7 and 3 sevens are 21. So 15 upon 21 plus 7 upon 21. Okay. So denominators are same, so I'll write 21 here and then 15 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is how much? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 carry here and 2 right. Here nothing is there in the tens digit. So I'll write 1 plus 1 is 2. So 22 we got. 22 upon 21. And this is your answer. Okay. Next you can see E and F. E and F both are in addition, right? So this both you have to do it by yourself. I'll do the subtraction one sum. Okay. So now we will do G. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. So as you can see, the denominators are different. Means what we have to do? We have to take out the LCM, right? So 4 and 3. 2 2s are. In 2 table 3 is not coming. So I'll write it down. So 2 1s are. Again in 2 table 3 is not coming. And then 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So our LCM came 12. Okay. So now in denominator we need 12. So 3 upon 4 means by which number I will multiply 4, so I will get 12. I will multiply by 3. So in numerator also I will multiply by 3. So 3 3s is 9 and 4 3s is 12. Then it comes to 1 upon 3. So by which number I will multiply 3, so I will get 12. So it is 3 4s are. So in numerator also I will multiply by 4. 1 4s is 4 and 3 4s is 12. So we got the similar denominator. 9 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12. 12 denominators are same. So I'll write the denominator and then 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 upon 12 is our answer. Okay. Moving to the next sum. H. 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. So 6 and 3, you can see that denominators are different. We'll take out the LCM. 6 and 3. So in two tables both are coming. 2 3s are, and in two table 3 is not coming, so I'll write 3 like that way only. And 3 1s are and 3 1s are. 2 3s are 6. So we got the LCM 6. Okay. So 5 upon 6. So I need, in denominator I need 6. But already 6 is there. So what I will do? I will multiply by 1. So that my denominator do not change. So in numerator also I will multiply by 1. So 5 ones are 5 and 6 ones are 6. 1 upon 3. So by which number I will multiply? So I will get 6. So I will multiply by 2. In numerator also 1 2s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. We got the similar denominator. 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6. 6 means I'll write here in the denominator. And 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. This you can also write in the simplest form. 3 1s are and 3 2s are. 1 upon 2 is also a right answer, and 3 upon 6 is also a right answer. Okay? Either you can write like this way, or you can convert into the simplest form. Okay? Coming to I, now don't get confused in I, because 3 fractions are there. As we are doing in 2 fraction, similarly we have to do in 3 fraction. Okay? See, I. The question is 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. You can see all 3 denominators are not same, so they are not a like fraction. So we will not be able to do the addition of this fraction. So we will take out the LCM. 3, 4 and 2. So 2 table first we'll take. In 2 table 3 is not coming. 4 is coming, so 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Again we'll take the table of 2. 2 1s are and 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So LCM what came? Or LCM came 12, right? 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So in all 3 fraction we need denominator as 12. So how we will take out? See it very carefully. 2 upon 3. So by which number I will multiply? So I will get 12 by 4. Okay. So in numerator also I will multiply by 4. 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. 3 upon 4. By which number I will multiply? 4, so I will get 12 by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Then come to next fraction is 1 upon 2 it is written. So I will multiply by 6. So I will get 12 in the denominator. So in numerator also I will multiply by 6. 6 are 2 6 are 12. Okay. So I will write all the 3 fraction together putting the sign addition. So 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. Now we will do the addition as we were doing in the fractions when 2 fractions are given. Similarly, we will do when 3 fractions are given. Okay? So 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 6. If you are not knowing, you can do the addition. 17 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 23. Our answer is 23. So equals to 23 upon 12. Okay. So this is your answer. Like this way only you have to do the further 3 sums